I'm driving to the station to pick up my wife. The streets are busy. There are cars all around me. I come to a crosswalk. I slow down and stop. A young mother is waiting at the side of the road. She has a stroller. Two small children are with her. Other cars do not stop, but I stop. In Japan, drivers must stop at a crosswalk. The mother looks at my car. She sees that I am waiting. She starts to cross. The older boy walks in front. He is about 5 years old. His right arm is straight up in the air. He learned this at school. Children in Japan raise one arm when they cross the street. Then the younger boy steps off the curb. He is about 3 years old. He is a little small for his age. He wants to raise his arm too. He lifts his arm as high as he can, but his arm is short. He leans to the right. He stretches and stretches, trying to reach the sky. It is so cute. I smile inside my car. The little boy looks up. He sees me sitting in my car. He sees me smiling at him. He waves at me. One big wave with his upstretched arm. His mother sees this. She gently guides him forward. "Come on," she says softly. The family finishes crossing. The mother gives a small bow. I give a small nod. I drive on, but I keep thinking about that little boy and his arm in the sky. You see this kind of moment in Japan all the time, and every time it makes me smile.